Everything you need is right there.
Huh?
Everything you need is right there.
Everything I need is right there.
Everything you need is right there.
You started your life?
Mm-hmm.
I apologize for getting
Huh?
I apologize for getting
Oh no. We love Kino. Let's see. We are on day 7 of trying to get a 10K payout, so let's just be consistent. See what the market has to give us. Good luck. All right. We're breaking back under support. Let's see if we can break under this one too. Let's see. Let's see if we can get a break down from here, out of the zone, maybe a retest. Let's see. Got some liquidity right here. We're actually at a nice level right now for this zone. Good morning, good morning. We locking in this morning. Daily time frame, we're under the 13 EMA. We've been under it, and we've seen buys and sells, so we're just going to play it more off of the zones here today. Yeah, pretty much. Price stopped here, broke through, broke back above, stopped here again. So that's an important zone. Price kept hitting this level too. Then it broke down from that level. It just retested that level yesterday, so it could continue to break down. On our 4-hour, let me see. I was trying to clean it up a little bit. Oh, on our daily time frame, we also have this wick that has not been touched. So that's going to be a point of interest for us to shoot towards. Good morning, good morning. Going back down to the 4-hour. We can see already like we're at a support zone, but we already broke through it just a little. We rejected going higher from it. So we just have to see in this next hour or so if price will continue to go up or go down. I think it might continue going down. And just because we failed, like this high was a fail. Like it broke it and then it basically filled it and rebalanced it. So let's see if we can catch some sales today. On the 1 hour, we have this level that we ran into yesterday. Price took this liquidity and went back up, but this was now a stronger low, stronger bottom. If we can get a break below that bottom, that's nice. We got a lot of room to play with between this zone and the next. 500 points is plenty of room for us to get a nice little trade. And then of course our entry, our daily point of interest is right down here too. We also have more liquidity in this 1 hour gap. Do y'all need me to erase all this from yesterday? I can because I already journaled. So let me go ahead and just do that actually. I journal my trades in TradeZilla, so I take a screenshot of the trades I take. I just want to keep it as clean as possible so you guys can understand why I'm taking the trades I'm taking. And even like yesterday when you take some L's, like you still just got to come back, show up tomorrow. Just like I was letting you guys know, like stick around for the chart, see if you see anything. I did log off, but then I was still watching the charts and I did see that buy opportunity. I wasn't going to take it, but I only risked $87 on it. And it was a trade that I got to add on to put me back up. Again, definitely could have not worked out, but it's okay. Here's Kino again. We love Kino.
Sorry.
No, you're great.
I don't mean to disturb.
He's got a nice blue shirt on. Jesus saves. Message of the day. Without Jesus, none of this matters, bro. All right. So we got a little bit of a range right here. Again, we're waiting for it to break down this range. What we ideally want to see is a breakdown from this area and then a retest and then a full drop. But, you know, it could just break out and leave us behind. We're going to do our best to try to just wait for that retest, which is our supply and demand, bread and butter. So going down to the 5 minute, we got 1 more minute till the market opens. Again, price is not yet broken this low. It broke here. So, you know, this model here doesn't, like, it's not the worst. But I don't know if I want to take it. Because I've been taking L's for the first trade. And, like, that's a little annoying. Yeah, see, it's 170 ticks. But, like, I'm getting tired of those. If it worked out, cool. But I'm getting tired of getting cooked on those. So, that's just me. Can anybody see what? Yeah, no, we're in a range. We're not in a trend. Anybody know why we're in a range? Why does it look like a range? I'll make it clearer for you. Just from immediate price action, not even looking left, how can we tell that this is a range and not a trend? Anybody know? Accumulation? Yeah, this is accumulation. So we're going to write this back on here. Pretend like all this stuff isn't there. Let's say we write this box. Is it pretty much in the box or around the box? It's within this box right here. So this would be our accumulation. We would have some form of manipulation. Yep, it's in the box. Manipulation before our distribution. Let's say this was our box. It was ranging right here and then it broke out. Nice. The power 3. Yeah, that's ICT, accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. I was doing that for a while, but it's basically the same thing as supply and demand. It's just smaller ranges, like how we just did this box right here. Accumulation, a little bit of manipulation, distribution. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, accumulation. There's no major manipulation, but distribution. So it was harder for me to see that rather than, all right, we hit a bottom. All right, we broke structure. All right, we tapped the zone. All right, we push back up. That's just easier for me to see. I feel like if I studied it more, I probably could have got it, but I was getting trapped in accumulation. I was that trader who was always trading the chop zones. Like, if, like, I didn't have a structured plan. If price was red, I was taking a sell. If price was green, I was taking a buy. Like, had no structure at all. But apparently I learned pretty quick when I actually had time to sit down and learn it. Took me a little minute. That man out there, Kino, he helped me. He helped me figure out, like, no, you need a system. No, you need to journal and backtest and see what's working, what's not working. So, much love to him. Even this one is still a lot. Even if I take it right here, it's still 120 points. Like I'm cool. We can see the 1 minute. We'd have to break some serious lows for the zone to even show. We got 48 seconds till the market opens. I'm gonna try to be patient today and let the first couple minutes go by before trying to jump in. Cause y'all been seeing, bro. It's been not working out for me. And I've been finding better trades a little later on. So I'm just gonna look for the better trade. I'm gonna zoom out for now though. And we'll just watch and see. In about 15 seconds, we're gonna be live. Let's get it. Nice. I need to see it break back through all these levels right here. That's an ugly candle, boy. We don't really have any zones up here, but we have some liquidity right here. Remember, our goal is to play off this yellow zone and this yellow zone because those are higher time frame zones. That's what we want to see. The trades I've been taking a chance on have been in the middle, and they haven't been as likely. Reversal candle? How do you mean? Which candle is reversal? This one? The printing one? Are doji candles reversals? They are. They are. Would I like, so for example, you see this doji candle, even though it should have probably been black for more opportunity, but like there's one here. But if you go out through your trades, you can see like most doji candles, the next printed candle reverses. But we need an aggressive move like this. I need to see some big old candles coming out. This is all garbage right here. I typically, yeah, because I take my entries on the 1 minute, I don't necessarily look for dojis. I mean, you could look for higher time frame, see what's going on, to try to help you decide. But again, market can do whatever it wants to do, so it's kind of a challenge to execute with dojis or just looking at dojis. I mean, but it's important to keep in mind. Like, say you're going with a continuation and then you hit a bottom and you got a doji reversal candle. Like, that's crazy. Well, this would have been a nice little entry so far, but let's see what it does. I want to see it come way down here. Break some lows. Dang, I know I put my KT system up here. Oh my gosh. Top step. All right. It's a nice little drop. Yeah, so see that doji and then watch it just drop. Like, it happens for sure. But I'm not going to make that my determining factor to get into a trade, if that makes sense. Because then if my stop loss is right here, look at that. Boom, wicked out. Even though we know it's probably finna drop right now. Like, we don't know, but we know. See, that would have blew me. That would have been a smooth little entry there. It didn't break lows for real, but I want to see it break structure. We got the trend-ish. We're sort of breaking structure to the downside. I want to see a clean breaks of structure to the downside. Like, break some lows, bro. If somebody got in this trade here, that would have been nice. This little box that we created for the sales, that would have been nice. Me personally, I didn't want to take it because it was right at 9:30, and I've been getting cooked at 9:30. I'm tired of getting cooked, so I'm gonna just play it a little bit safer. But I like this candle. Let's see if it'll come break some structure here. Even this probably been a little solid. It's one candle bigger than that, but let's just see. I need to see breaks of structure. Only structure I see broken is right here. I want to see it break this low, come back, retest this low.
It's Kino.
Oh, we love Kino. Did you take a trade yet?
No, did you?
Mm-mm. There's nothing to play with.
There's no problem.
10,000 hours and 10,000 more. Mm-mm-mm. We're just being patient, man. Play a game on your phone. Well, not really. I would play a game after you get in a trade so you're not missing stuff. If this level keep holding too, we could, have opportunities for buys. If we keep breaking structure to the upside and we don't go lower, see, like this would have been the only opportunity for entry. Let's see. Let's go ahead and delete this level because we're not taking that trade, no way. If the buyers are still in the game and they don't want to leave, this would have been the only optimal entry from right there. I'm not going to take it. I'm just showing you what I see. This right here to the liquidity up here. It's just another opportunity. Is it likely? Maybe. Is it not? Maybe. It's 70. I think that's 7 ticks for me. Let me see, y'all. Let me see. I might could get in this one. But we in a range. I don't know. Let's go to the 1 hour. Let's see what it's looking like. It did wick at the bottom. Let's see. $13 EMA might hold, $13 EMA not. I might want to take my risk on this one. Okay, might get in if it comes down a little lower. Otherwise, I'll just wait for another zone to tap. But it hit a bottom, it's breaking structure to the upside. It's kind of rejecting to the upside, so I don't know yet. But I'd be willing to risk it for the biscuit. I ain't scared. Dang, that would have been the entry. Hold on. All right.
Order filled.
Why is my stuff not working? Come on, bro. I am in for the buys. Risking the 260 like normal. On the 1 minute time frame. Shooting for the 1 to 4. Watch it go straight to stop loss. Ugh. That's tragic. It's alright. I risk it for the biscuit. That's what I do. Watch it break the lows. Ugh. Just reject this level. Go back higher. You know you want to. Looks like I'm finna get stopped out, bro. Lame. So lame. Order filled, looking at. That's a tough one, guys.
Order filled.
For no good reason, bro. Sometimes I be experiencing FOMO, but like, dude. If it break this low, definitely looking for the sell. My dubs are always bigger than my wins, so I'm not mad at the loss. And had it gone up and I missed it, I would have been sick too. So, let's just wait. All right, it just broke the low. So we're waiting for the pullback, and we're in. Let me measure out the difference between these two. 83. 6 contracts. I'm gonna go ahead and put my 6 contracts on right here for the entry. Limit sell 5. Limit sell 1. And now we wait, man. That was lame. That was really lame. If it leave us, that'll be even lamer. Let's see it come back and tap us. If it creates another zone, we could enter off that zone. We'll recalculate and change our ticks. Bro, don't leave us, bro. Ugh. We're chilling. We're being patient. We're waiting. All right. Come back and get us, bro. Come back and get us. Max trades I take in a day is 3. I try to keep it less than 3. Sometimes my first one loses. Sometimes my second one loses. It's about to run this liquidity right here. But it still hasn't given us an opportunity to get in. At least not yet. We still got this daily POI, so my TP is going to be at the daily POI, not necessarily my 1 to 4. But we got to get it tapped, so we got to wait. It's crazy how every time I say what's going to happen, I do the opposite, take a first L, and then catch it, and then it does exactly that. That's crazy. But they tell you not to have a bias, but at the same time, like, my bias works sometimes. Most times. If it leave us, bro, tragic. Like, that's almost insane. This would have been a breakout trade for my breakout traders. They would have entered right here. Stop loss up here to the downside. We're a break and retest kind of crew with supply and demand. So we're going to wait. Hopefully it'll take less liquidity, bounce back up a little bit, then drop. Let's see. Bro, this is so lame if it leave us. That's insane, y'all. Because we seen at 9:30, it was a beautiful tap right here from this little zone right here. But we didn't even take it, bro. Look at that. That's aggravating. All because I was butthurt from whatever day that was. Look at that. 160 ticks. The 1-to-1 would have hit. But look at that. Look at that. That's so lame. Show me what you got. You in it? Hey, let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Great idea, bro. Great idea. Way to not be afraid and take the trade that you see and not the trade that you feel. I love it. Ain't gonna give us no entry, bro? It's gonna go to our POI without us? Like, what sense does that make? And see, this would have been another opportunity and then that tab, but I didn't like this. I didn't like this chop right here. This just would have been another opportunity. Look at that 1-to-4. Probably would have worked. Let's see. Hopefully we can get a tap or at least a new zone created, y'all. Because there's no way it's going to leave us. Yeah, that would have been just another opportunity, but I don't want to make it too messy for y'all. Let's see. Let's go ahead and redo this too. Let's see if this one can get a break of candle for a re-entry. But again, I like taking them more in these zones. So let's see if it'll come all the way back. If it break the low, I don't mind the continuation, so. Yeah, and there's nothing looking left, so. Let's see if it'll come back up. This is a nice wick right here. If this wants to reject and come up, let's see. If not, I'll be cool taking it. So now we've got a major breakup structure right here. So it could come all the way back. It could not. I don't know. Let's see. Might wait for the break of candle entry. Even if it do this little pullback right here and then break and retest, like cool. Just give me an opportunity. That's all I want. That's really good aggressive movements, y'all. Y'all see that? And the breaks of structure. We want to see what this candle closes like. I still want to see it come back up here. All right, I like this zone. Let's see. It didn't tap. What's up, Isaac?
Yo.
Price trying to leave us, bro. That's lame. Just tap us, bro.
Order filled.
Second trade idea of the day. Same idea, sells. Let's see it drop. Hey, Kino. Took a dumb L right before the drop. In for a sell.
An L and then in for a sell again.
Same. If it break this
If
right
it goes
here.
above that candle, I'm stopped out.
Likewise.
Yeah,
Bro.
I'm stopped out. All right.
If it break the law, I might add a contract, bro. Maybe like one. We're waiting for the 13 EMA to hold this. But yeah, let's see, bro. They could want to come back to the top, and that would blow me. That's so aggravating, bro. Just drop. You know you want to drop, bro. Y'all see this nonsense?
Order filled.
That's insane, bro. I only have one trade opportunity left in the day, and they're blowing me, bro. I'm not trying to lose 700 in a day. This would be the last opportunity, though. I'm gonna just wait, bro, because it's pissing me off. I missed the drop, and then it took liquidity and it pushed. But it still want to drop because it's breaking structure. That's wild. But that first trade I had no business taking. Y'all seen that. And it's retesting this zone like we freaking said, bro. My heart, bro. My heart. So now, with the third trade, my only goal really is to get a break even. Let me see. I real life just want to see a break even. Are you still in that trade? I think it was Melee. Oh, you might have been stopped out. Oh, hold on. Did it tap? That John tapped. Oh, snap.
Order filled.
Please don't stop me out, bro. We're risking less on this trade. Look at that.
Order filled.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. All right. Yep, I'm done, bro. That was the lamest situation ever. Horrible. Horrible. It broke structure, came back. That's so lame. I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow then. Hey, we show up tomorrow. That's wild. Peace out, y'all. Oh, you're not in the shorts. Wanted to give up yesterday, still haven't passed the eval. You're on the way. Yeah, you're on the way. Oh, she already left. That's all right. Bye, y'all.